welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time running across my page, my name is Lexi Say, if you don't know me. And if you know me, hey girl, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back to the vibes. Period. We're gonna start off by saying thank you to Nutree Professionals for sponsoring this video. So today we're talking all hair things. Per usual, you know, I always come in here and talk about hair for, well, you know, do hair tutorials and stuff. But today, and if you see me looking over there, it's because there's a mirror right in front of me, so I gotta make sure I look right and tight while I'm talking to y'all. So Nutree Professionals sent me a Botox hair mask. What is a Botox hair mask? Botox hair mask is basically a mask that focuses on hair reconstruction and hydration. Its purpose is to really, like, you know, to give more life to your hair, feed your hair, and also it helps with frizz, especially this specific product they sent me over, which is the Afro Bondox Expert. This is what it looks like. It's basically a product that targets hair reconstruction, hydration, and anti-freeze, okay? So basically, if you have 3 to 4 type hair and you're into like silk presses, you know, you like your hair to be silk pressed and everything and without like damaging your hair texture and things like that, this is the kind of product you need. It's not a relaxer, okay, because a lot of people confuse this with a relaxer. It definitely doesn't. I mean, as you can see my hair, because I used this product right before I started doing this video, it does not relax your hair. What it does is it makes your hair more soft and easier to handle, as far as like, okay, say like you have 4C hair, right? You know, sometimes with the frizz and everything, like your hair is too coarse and things like that. So what it does is basically take away the tangles. Like, as you can see, you see how I'm running my hair? I mean, you see how I'm running my fingers through this hair? It basically gives the relaxer effect without relaxing your hair. That's basically what it does. Yeah, so let's get into the demo, and I hope you guys really enjoy this product, and hopefully you go ahead and check them out and try this out, okay? Because I am in love, okay? I am in love. I mean, y'all see the body on this hair? Y'all see? And my hair is not even like silk press or anything. But yes, ladies, let's get right into the demo. Okay, so first let's do a mini unboxing, okay? So straight to the point, the product is right in there, the Afro Bondox Expert. Here's the product, and then there's a mini manual to show you how to use the product, and then some gloves for application, because you need to wear gloves to apply this, a comb, because of course we're dealing with hair, and some clips to help with parting and stuff. So let's get right into it. As the instructions follow, you first have to shampoo your hair, because you got to apply this product on clean hair. So you shampoo your hair real nice and, you know, thorough, and then after that, that's when you go ahead and apply the product. No, you do not use a conditioner, because this works just like a conditioner, because it nourishes your hair just like a conditioner would. So yeah, so I just go ahead and section my hair and then try to apply it, you know, as much as possible, but a little goes a long way. That's something I learned too, because I was like, oof, you know, I put a little too much. At the end of this, I felt like I just put a little too much, but of course it's never too much when you're trying to grow your hair, right? So yeah, so while you're applying, make sure you comb your hair, make sure you just detangling everything, then you just wrap it up, and they recommend keeping this in for 30 to 40 minutes. So yes, 30 to 40 minutes. All right, so once my 30 to 40 minutes was up, you know, I had to act up a little bit. But anyways, once my 30 to 40 minutes was up, I went back in and just rinsed off the product. That's really it, okay? And then after that, you want to go ahead and blow dry your hair, especially if you're going to get into the silk press part. Make sure you blow dry your hair, okay? And then once you're done doing that, just, you know, continue with your styling. If you want to silk press. If you don't. But my hair, I mean, y'all saw, like, just look how rich, shiny, and nourished my hair looks. Yes, y'all, so go ahead and look into the description box below. I have the link to the website and everything. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, go and check out Nutree Professional and get your hair popping. Okay, sis? All right, bye.